guys, good morning. I am in the city of York today. Really rainy day, but you kind of expect that when you're in the north of England. But check out the cathedral, the York Cathedral right behind me. That is the York Cathedral, or the York Minster. Apparently built, or finished rather, in 1472, I think I read somewhere. But really impressive when you stand next to it. It's huge and really nice. So the city of York is a very touristy town, so you do feel like you're in medieval England when you are walking around in the cities. So today I have pretty much all day to walk around and check out the city, see the sights, explore the places to visit, the tourist objectives, and yeah, just check it out and get a vibe of the city. So I want to take you on a journey with me to travel around, to see the city, see the sights, and explore the area. So let's check it out. So this is the wall of the city of York, and it used to go around the city when it was in the Middle Ages, but now it just goes around the York Minster, and it's a really nice walk from up here. You can see the nice sights around. You can see a terrace down below. It just takes you around this little park around the cathedral. It's quite cool. Cathedral is literally the center of the tourist attractions in York. It's just amazing. It's gigantic and it's really impressive when you look at it.
got an interview.
Yeah, one of these over.
And so they've been brand new oil skins, which is also different price. Yeah. And so there's no way of doing that. So it's more like everything. So it's everything more comfortable. Have you seen the old one?
So an interesting thing about York is that in medieval times, in the 15th century, York was ruled by the House of York, right? So these were a powerful house of rulers that had eventually 3 kings in England, and they were in constant battle with the other houses for like supremacy around the medieval England, right? Now, these houses and the wars between them and the struggle for power between them was actually the inspiration for George R.R. Martin's Game of Thrones. Okay, so if you've ever watched that show, one of the houses that inspired the you know, the plots and stories in Game of Thrones was from York. And you can see kind of remnants of this all around town. So for instance, here I'm next to a tower, a fortification on a small hill, and here I'm gonna try to go up there. I guess there is a ladder, but yeah, you can see these fortifications, these walls all around the city, and it's really cool to walk around them. You do feel like you're in medieval times, still where people still use these churches, these walls and towers and so on and so on. Really, really interesting. So one of the things I like most when I'm in here in York that I found was it has a huge pedestrian center. So lots and lots of streets with shops all around, with street markets and shops and souvenir shops and so on and so on. They call it the shambles, but that's just the kind of a few streets that are older, I think. But here they have all these pedestrian areas that are closed off, and you can just walk around. It's very, very, very nice, very calm. And I imagine when there's more people out than this, today is a Sunday, so quite a lot, but usually I think it's much more packed. Alright, so that is one short afternoon in the city of York. Hope you've enjoyed it. Next video, I'm probably gonna be in some other city in the north of England. I'll see you then.